Alright, welcome back to my channel Tech Tutorials Yugi. I've been asked about how to add the devices using iVMS software. So in this video I'm going to show how to add those devices and activate them. Let's go. We have to add device via public IP. Make sure your devices are connected well on the LAN. Have to add devices via internet IP address. The device has to be on the same LAN. You have to first install iVMS software on your laptop or your PC. So let's start with adding any online devices on our PC. Open your iVMS software, click on device management. Then you have to click on online devices to see the list of the devices in the same subnet with your network. Then check the devices that need to be activated. Select the device in that device list, and you need to click to activate that device. Click to activate button. You have to put the valid password of that device, and you have to confirm that password again, and then click activate button to confirm. It will ask you to set security questions and export the guide file. Please set the questions. Here you need to set security questions which will help you when you forgot your password. These questions will again help you to reset the password of the device. Then you need to click OK button to submit. After activating this device, you'll need to click on add device on add button. Then you will need to name the device. Because the IP is already there, you'll need to name the device. Let's say test 1. Put the username and password for the device, that is to say either NVR or DVR. Don't forget to synchronize the time so that the device time is the same as the computer time. Then add the device. After adding the device, the device will pop up there to show that the device is online. You have to check here, so it will show you the device is online. After successfully adding that device there, now we have to add device by IP address. If you know the IP address and server port of the device, you can add a device using those credentials. Let's go. Come here to add device. Select IP domain. After selecting IP domain, here you'll need to enter required information to add this device. Like I have to use the name, like let's say test 1. You need to put IP address and server port correctly. Then you have to come here, put username of the device correctly, put the password there. Don't forget to tick synchronize time. Then add the device. So it has to show you up there it's online. Yes. So when you go to When you go to main view and click main view to open the page, main view, you come here and select the camera and you say view all the cameras. So it has to show you those live link. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you.